Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, we got the universal adjustable tractor suspension seat. Now this comes with a seat belt, which I'm not going to use, but we can show you how to put it on. But it's got the waffle seat, the waffle backrest. It comes with 4 bolts in behind it for pre-adjusted, all on here. And the seat, same thing, pre-adjusted. All you have to do is slide them in, slide it back, and tighten them up. But it's supposed to fit a John Deere, Fiat, Ford, and Kubota. We're going to try and stick it on a Kubota because I need a new suspension seat. So it comes with your instructions. There's the plate down there for the seat belt, and of course the adjustment suspension there. All right, let's see if she can fit on. Okay, this is a GF 1800 Kabota. Now, this seat did not fit where the old one came off. Now, the old one bolts were here, so we had to drill out the bolts here, which was fine. Had lots of room underneath and everything. When I get it back to my facility, I'm going to put a piece of flat metal underneath these just to stabilize it. Right now, we've got a little bit of play right there. If you can see the metal moving. We're going to throw a couple 1/2-inch bolts here. I think this is where they want you to put a toolbox or something. Well, I don't have that, so we're going to put some 1/2-inch bolts in here just to keep that metal on here stabilized. So, okay, now for the seat in the back. So what they do is they bring you, they get the bolts already in. You slip the bolts in here, slide it back, and tighten the bolts down. Same as the back, and we'll get into that in a second. Okay, she's on. I would like to have come back a little bit further with that bracket, but that's pretty much as far as you can go. You can see where the handle for the screen is, so there's not much room to come back. I mean, by the time well, sorry, this is the hood latch, but you don't want to be coming back much further than that. I mean, you guess you could come back to about there, but I'm glad I just stayed there and I don't have to worry about it. I've got a little bit shorter legs than maybe some guys, and I'm going to be okay. But yeah, it bounces good. It's definitely going to take the shock out of rough rides, but I definitely have to get these bolts in to stabilize temporarily until I get it home, and go from there. As goes for the sensor, I've already got it taped down, so it can go pretty much anywhere. I'm going to mount that somewhere later on, but okay, for the seatbelt bracket. Now, this bracket has got to go on before you put the seat onto the frame, okay? I didn't put it on, I don't need it, but when you do get it on, it's going to sit up there like that, okay? And then when you do get it up there, why is this thing blurry? Okay, there we go. And then you just put your bolts in here, and then on the other side, and then you got your seat belt right there, okay? So yeah, there it is. All right, that's how that goes on. Piece of cake. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.